Hi everyone, Johnny here with Amin Trades. Welcome back to day 2 of the Small Account Challenge. If you saw day 1, you know we started with $1,522.77 and kicked off things with a strong 20% plus green day. That brought our starting balance for day 2 to $1,834.73. So the pressure is officially on. Can we build on that momentum, or will day 2 bring a reality check? Before we break it down, remember, this video is for information and entertainment purposes only. This is not investment advice. Trading carries a huge amount of risk, so please do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. In today's episode, we'll cover a live trade that I took on SNOA. As of November 4th, 2025, the float was 1.62 million with a short float of 2.82%, and institutional ownership was 5.28%. In the past 3 years, anytime this stock gapped up over 10% with more than a million shares of volume, it closed below the open price 80% of the time, and the company didn't have much cash left. The company released their earnings report, and that was the reason for this spike. This was the daily chart, and you can see it's been clearly downtrending for a while. Here I'm locating 500 shares, trying to short 250 shares at 415, and got a partial fill. Got filled for the whole 250 shares. The idea was to short full size of 500 shares if it tries to retest the high and fails. Also, I needed to be cautious because the volume is very light. It dumps pretty heavily here, and I tried to cover at 371 but didn't get any fill. And it goes up to near $4. This is the problem with not having enough liquidity. Covered 50 shares at 381. As you can see, the ticker failed to catch any interest of other traders, and the volume is just 71,000 shares right now. So at this point, I'm thinking the liquidity might dry out even more, and I need to get out as soon as I can. Here I'm throwing orders out to get out on the bid, but simply this has no volume. Trying to get out half at 385 now and got filled. Trying to cover another 50 shares at 376 and no fill. So cancel the order and took 50 off at 380 in between the bid and ask. As you can see, this was a very slow moving trade, so out of respect for your time, I'll speed it up here. If you're enjoying this challenge and want to follow the journey to the final reveal, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Each week, you'll get a new episode straight to your feed. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single trade. The stock is not catching any interest and the volume is really low. Finally, here I was all out at 391. So $83.93 for the trade. So here's how the end of day 2 P&L looks like. Traded 3 stocks all on the short side and made $240.15 for the day. It will be a little bit less after the fees and commissions are taken out. Account is up now roughly 36% in 2 days. So that's a wrap on day 2. If you're enjoying this challenge and want to follow the journey all the way to the final reveal, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out tremendously. New episodes drop every week, so hit that notification bell to get updated the moment I post. Thanks for watching and happy trading.